Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. Today we have our 2004 Honda VTX1300C. This is the most beautiful VTX1300 we've had. Mint condition, one owner, only 4,500 miles. Beautiful metallic silver. We're putting two brand new tires on it, not because of mileage, but just because of age. This bike is gorgeous. Score big on this bike with saddlebags, leather saddlebags for just $39.99. Again, one owner bike, 4,500 original miles, shaft drive, VTwin, liquid cooled, $39.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. From Contra Costa Powersports.